On these doors, this panic hardware is mounted that opens the door. This happens to be the 8600 series, and in this case it doesn't work on this one, which I have taken apart very simply with a screwdriver like this. So what's wrong here? Well, the security comes to lock it. This action depresses and releases the push bar. Very straightforward. And the locking involves using an Allen key rather intelligently through the tiny hole. There's an Allen bolt that matches, and this gets locked like so and gets opened like so, so that depresses and releases. So on this one here, obviously that part failed or wore out. Now I need to get one from the tool room. So let's find the replacement part. These were somewhere. Just give me some time. And by a lesser miracle, I successfully found a replacement part. You can see side by side what the difference is. So this one has a hole left for this Allen key that makes it work once it's mounted there. Once it's mounted, it's going to work fine, and this one has nothing there left. It's just a crater there side by side. So the part number on the new one is going to be not one there, obviously, and it's going to mount somewhere there on the other side. Now the other side has been cleverly marked. This is the edge of this piece, and this is going to slide in from the end like this, all the way where it used to be. Or alternatively, it can just simply be lined up with the hole, and then it lines up on the rest of the door. Slider goes on the opposite side as well. And then you need to put the end caps off. The end caps have the screws held in place. This one's easier, the other side is more annoying. Just about like this. And then it's done, working like it should. Does not open this way from the outside, only from the inside. And with the push bar dogged into the pushed in position, opens from the outside. And of course, opens from the inside, obviously.